My name is John Mitchell. I'm a product manager with Intrepid Control Systems, and I'm going to be giving a quick review of our cloud-based data logging and analysis system that we call Wireless neoVI. And in this demo, we have a simulator on the left there with the translucent enclosure. It has 4 pots on there that can simulate sensor inputs. You can turn the pots, and they will vary just the voltage of the pots, and it will send the data from the pots over CAN on this diagnostic connector, which is being logged by our neoVI Fire 3. The Fire 3 has 16 dual wire CAN networks and 8 LIN networks on it, and it can also be configured for FlexRay as well. And the Fire 3 can log data to its onboard SD card. It actually has 2 SD cards that you could run 2 terabyte cards, one in each of the slots to maximize data logging. And the Fire 3 logs data to the SD cards while it doesn't have access to the cloud. And then when it has access to Wi-Fi or cellular, you can upload that data to our cloud-based server, which is just a browser. And we also have in this demo our RadIO2 TC series that allows you to read 8 thermocouples per device, and then it sends that data over CAN to the Fire 3. And you can daisy chain different RadIO2 devices. We have some that will read analog inputs, some that will read thermocouples, and we also have others that can control relays and read digital signals as well. And I'm analyzing this data, and this is just a browser here. So you don't need to install anything on your PC in order to see this data. So you could be at home in your living room and just log into the website, and you can start looking at data without installing anything. And one of the benefits of that, there are time cursors in here where if you hold down like the number 1 and you click on the plot, it'll move cursor 1 to wherever you click. And if you see something of interest, like this change mind shift here, you can copy a link to this view to your clipboard, and then you can IM that link to a colleague, and your colleague clicks on the link, and it takes them to the very same view of the very same data. So this is not a screenshot of the event. This is the same data that you were looking at, that your colleague in another country could be looking at. So then they could look and say, well, I think I know what's going on there, John. I think it's a problem with with these parameters, and then they can plot some signals, on the plot as well, and then share a link back with you. So you can analyze the data together without having to move large data files, around, in many different locations. So it's really like a lot of other. It's really the one thing that sets this tool apart from all the other data analysis tools that I've seen. I've been working in powertrain controls for 20 years, and I've never seen a tool that has the ability like this to leave all the data on the cloud. And most tools they have you bring the data to the analysis tool. Like you record it and somebody gives you the data, you run a MATLAB script on it, and you've got the results. With our setup, all the data goes into one spot, and we bring the analysis to the data. It's all on the server, and you can access it from any client. And it's really makes collaborating with your colleagues, even internationally, very efficient and effective. Thanks for watching. I'm John Mitchell from Intrepid Control Systems.